All right, I'm going to start this figure. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to sketch in all the figures and try to figure out the pose for them, develop the story and all that stuff. Now, these armatures are made to be used for women and for men. But I find that for the men, you need a narrower set of hips than what is on here. So I trim them down a little bit using a wire cutter. Bingo! Men's hips aren't as wide as these. I think that looks good. I know it's rather drastic. But I think it works. What I'm thinking of doing is having this gentleman here holding a shield and a war club. And he's pointing to where he thinks the person they're trying to find might have gone. And that's what I'm thinking about him, but I don't know what I'm going to do about the other guy yet. So all these things will come together as I work on it. Well, that's the plan anyway. I'm going to have, I don't know if I'm going to have this guy shirtless or not. He'll have leggings, I think. But like I said, I'm just really in the beginning stages here, so I have no clue yet. I'm clueless in Montana. Now the rib cage on these armatures are just a little bit smaller than what they should be, so you need to keep that in mind as you're putting clay on your rib cage. These true form armatures from Sculpture Depot. You still got to know your anatomy, even if you're using something with the anatomy already in it. But at least this gives you a good platform to start out with. Yeah. One of these gentlemen is going to be wearing a wolf skin headdress. He'll be a scout, so to speak. And I guess I could make them both scouts and have them both wearing it, but I think that might be too much. So I'm thinking as I'm going along here. I'll get that the last thing I do today because I'm going to have to glue it and it'll have to sit overnight, so I'm not going to get ahead of myself here. Okay, I just got a call. I've got somebody coming over to visit, and so I need to end my video now. I've gotten quite a bit accomplished on this figure here. I just stuck a flat piece of clay on here just to see what the shield would look like. That's about the size the shield would be. Normally a shield would be about the width of the chest. And I'm not sure I'm going to have anything hanging off it, maybe feathers or something like that. I don't know. But I think that shield will look really nice. That's not the shield, but just trying it to see what it looks like. Overall, I think it's going to be a dynamite piece. I wasn't sure about it yesterday, but I'm a lot happier with it now. It actually works for me now. All right, everybody, have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.